What's up, guys? We're out here at Lake Ida. New lake for me, I've never been here. Looking for largemouth, clown knife, hopefully some peacocks. Got a bunch of live bait since I've never been here, and really targeting that clown knife. I'm not really used to fishing live bait, but give it a shot. Here with my buddy David Whistler. I'm on. Little peacock. Dude, that's the smallest peacock I've ever caught. Never caught a peacock this small. All right, first of the trip. Little peacock.
We got 8 fish.
We got a fish. It seems like it's like a waiting game, to be honest, with live bait. It's not as fun. I just got 8. There we go. That's either, I don't know what that is. Feels like a peacock.
Want the net?
No, not yet. Unless it's a clown. It's a peacock. Yeah, get the net. It's all right size peacock. There you go. Sick. It's a decent 1 pounder maybe. Another peacock. I swear, I think the peacocks up north are smaller for sure because of the temperature, because there we go. I'm on something. Oh, largemouth. He still has it. All right. It's a step in the right direction.
Pretty good.
Nice size largemouth. Nice 1.5 pound largemouth. He's pretty fat. Oh, dude, right there. Did you just see that? That was sick.
I just saw a little bubble.
There's a big largemouth right there. If you cast your bait right there, you might catch him. Actually, I'm gonna try to do it. Hold on.
I'm gonna bring it in.
Here we go. 1.5 pounder. I'm gonna put him right here. That's insane.
I might want to reel that up.
I will.
Okay.
Oh, he's on it. He's on it. He's on it. Ready?
Okay.
There we go. I got him. Nice. It's a nice size bass. Sick. About a 3 pounder maybe. Finally got him.
Big fish.
All right. Can you take a picture? Wow, that thing is fat spawning.
Your phone or my phone?
Let's release this little girl. She's fat, man. Off she goes. Good.
Still my fish.
What? You're on. That's a real one. There you go, buddy. Oh, that's a nice pea. I'll get the net. I'll get the net. Yeah, let him take it. Let him take it. All right, ready? Bring it up here. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. There
Hey, I got a fish.
Nice. You got a nice one too. David just caught his first nice size peacock. Look at that hump, man. It's like a double. That's awesome. Double hump. You want to release him or I'll release him?
Go for it.
All right, we're gonna let him go. He's ready. And he's off. All right, let's go get some more. What do you think? Oh my God. Dude, there was just a huge peacock. Came up to the boat. Like it was at the boat. Oh, dude, he's on. He's on. Oh my God, do you feel that?
Nice.
Dude, hold on. That's crazy. I saw, dude, this is a big fish. I saw him at the boat and he took off. Maybe this isn't, oh, this is not the big one. Oh. Cool. Yeah, let me push this off. There's still peacocks under there for sure. Another beautiful peacock. It's alright sized. I don't know if this is that big one, but there was a huge one that I spooked off the boat. And then this hit it, so. Alright. Letting this guy go. We're gonna get back out there. There's some more. Yeah, go over, it's fine. Just got hit. Hold on. Ready?
Yep.
There we go.
Got it?
Yeah. Oh God. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, he might be up on the pillar. Oh, he's off. It's alright, one. It's a peacock. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. He's coming. He's fighting already. He might be bigger than I thought. Wow. Oh yeah, dude, this might be a big fish. He's fighting hard. I haven't even seen him. Oh my God. All right, here we go. Ready? Dude,
Yeah.
he's pulling the boat. This might be a big peacock. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Get him. Nice. Sick. Oh wow. That's a pretty big peacock. All right, nice spawning male here. With that hump. Let's get him back in the water. All right, that's it. We're calling it. Caught about 10 peacocks, a couple largemouth, no clown knife, but we'll just have to come back. So, all right, till next time.